When I decided to live in a van, I thought there'd be fewer rules. But I found I'm in for a rude awakening. For example, I might be the slowest driver in the world. But this sign's telling me to slow down. But it doesn't know how fast I was going in the first place. So sometimes it's best to make your own mind up. And I've made my mind up to let's go. So it turns out that sometimes maybe some rules are there for a reason. But if you never break any rules, then how will you ever know that you regret breaking them? So, do I have any regrets? I don't think so. No. I don't have any regrets. I don't think. And I think that's it for today. So, thanks again for watching. Goodbye again.